Hello students, welcome to chemistry classes. Today we are going to discuss nomenclature of organic compounds having functional groups. Under this basic concepts of organic chemistry, last class we discussed the IUPAC nomenclature of alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. Now the nomenclature of organic compounds having functional group. You know what are functional groups? Functional groups are a group which is responsible for chemical characteristic properties of entire homologous series of concerned compounds. So we know that different functional groups are possible. First of all, I would like to explain haloalkanes. Haloalkanes. From alkyl halide, CH3, X may be fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. So I substitute chlorine in the place of X. What is the common name and IUPAC name of the compound? Common name, the alkyl group followed by halogens. Methyl chloride. IUPAC name of the compound. First you pronounced the halogens, haloalkanes. So chloro, here only one carbon atom is present, therefore the parent hydrocarbon is methane, chloromethane. Suppose OH as the functional group, CH3, CH2OH. This is the ethyl group, ethyl alcohol. What is the IUPAC name of ethyl alcohol? From alkane, the terminal letter E is replaced by OL. So, ethanol. Carboxylic acid, CH3, COOH. Common name of the compound is acetic acid. For writing the IUPAC name, from the alkanes, terminal letter E is replaced by oic acid. So, ethanoic acid and so on. These carbonyl compounds, CH3, CHO, acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde is a common name of this compound. What is the IUPAC name of the compound? Here also, from the alkanes, the terminal letter E is replaced by Al. So, ethanal for aldehyde, ethanol for alcohols. Ketones. The simplest ketone is acetone. Otherwise known as dimethyl ketone. So, the IUPAC name of the compound, propanone. Propane is replaced by ONE, propanone. And amino compounds, CH3NH2, methylamine. Here also the IUPAC name of the compound is aminomethane. These are some examples for the IUPAC nomenclature of organic compounds having functional groups. In higher classes, in the class 12, you are detailed study about the entire nomenclature of haloalkanes, haloarenes, hydroxy compounds, carbonyl compounds, amino compounds in detailed manner. Suppose in an organic compounds having more than one functional group, more than one functional group is present. How to assign the priority of functional groups in the organic compound? Priority assigning based on this series. First of all, most preference goes to carboxylic acid, sulfonic acid, ester, acid halide, acid amide, cyano groups or nitrile compounds, carbonyl compound, aldehyde, ketone, alcohols, amino acids, and olefinic double bond and triple bond. For example, consider this compound. Let us consider CH3, CH2, CHOH, CH2, CH3, CH3. You are assuming this organic compound. How to name this compound? First you look at two alkyl groups, two substituents are present. This is the functional group, this is the alkyl group. Comparing these two functional groups, the OH shows most preference. So, we should assign lower number to this OH from left to right, 1, right to left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, this is the correct way to numbering the carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, the IUPAC name of the compound is written like this. 6th carbon atom methyl group is present, 6 methyl. 3rd carbon atom OH group is present. OH group should be mentioned in the terminal position. Therefore, 7 carbon atoms heptane. E is replaced by OL. 3 OL. 3rd carbon atom OH group is present. Therefore, 3 OL. 6 methyl heptane 3 all, or it is written like this: 6 methyl 3 heptanol, heptanol. And also another one example. So, this compound having 2 double bonds and 1 triple bond. So, how to assign the priority? Look at this. Alkenes shows higher priority than alkynes. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Substitute the hydrogen atom CH, C, CH, 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 CH2. Totally 6 carbon atoms are present. Kex or Kexa. 2 positions double bonds are present in between carbon number 1 and 2. Therefore, 1. Carbon number 3 and 4. 3. 1, 3. Diene. Normally, 1 double bond present means we mention ene. Here 2 double bonds are present, therefore, diene. In between carbon number 5 and 6, triple bond is present, therefore, 5 ine, end with ine, alkyne, diene, alkene. 6 carbon atoms, kexa. Kexa 1, 3, diene, 5 ine, 5 ine. So, if more than one functional groups are present in the organic compound, you should know the series for assigning the priority of the functional group. The most preferential group is this carboxylic acid group, least preferential group is alkynes, the triple bond. Now, the nomenclature of substituted benzene compounds. How to name the nomenclature of or assign the nomenclature of benzene related organic compounds. So, before that you must know benzene and its nomenclature. The simplest aromatic hydrocarbon is benzene, C6H6, or it is written like this. So, resonance structures, or it is written like this: CH, 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 CH. 6 carbon atoms are represented like this. Simply, benzene is written like this. This is the simplest representation of benzene. From benzene, one of the hydrogen atom hydrogen atom is replaced by functional groups. Any one of the functional group, it gives numerous aromatic organic compounds. Numerous aromatic organic compounds. How to name these aromatic organic compounds? First of all, you must know the positions of a benzene ring. Here you are assuming X as the functional group. This is the first carbon. First position, functional group is present. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth position. Second position nearest to the functional group is called ortho isomer, ortho substituent, ortho. Third, meta. Fourth, para. Opposite to meta, that is meta dash. This is ortho dash. So these are the various substituents may be substitute in the benzene ring. So this compound, one of the hydrogen atom is replaced by methyl group. It is said to be methylbenzene. Methylbenzene. The common name of the compound is toluene. Toluene. This is methylphenyl ether. Methylphenyl ether. IUPAC name of the compound is methoxybenzene. Methoxybenzene. This is amino group, aniline. Common name of the compound is aniline. IUPAC name aminobenzene. Aminobenzene. Aniline, common name aminobenzene is the IUPAC name. Here nitrobenzene. The compound is called nitrobenzene. This is bromobenzene. 1,2-dibromobenzene. 1,3-dibromobenzene. 1,4-dibromobenzene, 1,2-dibromobenzene, 1,3-dibromobenzene, 1,4-dibromobenzene, or it is said to be ortho-dibromobenzene, meta-dibromobenzene, para-dibromobenzene, ortho-dibromobenzene, meta-dibromobenzene, para-dibromobenzene. So these are the some substituted benzene compounds. Finally, we substitute this compound. Chloro dinitro, position number 1, 2, 3, 4. Chloro dinitrobenzene. Chloro dinitrobenzene. So I hope all these concepts are understood each and every people. You should thoroughly read the textbook and work out the problems given in the textbook also. If you have any doubts, you may ask. Thank you.